Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript events. When events happen, you may want to do something. The list is quite long. Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's come in here and add a button, and inside button tag I'm gonna type click me, and here I'm gonna give an attribute on click. I'm gonna call a function here, my function, and it will receive no parameters. And let's define this function here. Let's add script tag, and inside script tag I'm gonna define a function, and here let's name our function as we have called it here. It'll receive no parameters, and let me show you what we have right now. We have got this button. Let me zoom it in. We have got this button, and let me add a paragraph tag here, and here I'm gonna give an ID of, say, demo. And what I want, when this event happen, I mean when you click this button, hello world should appear here. And we can do this just by coming here and type in document dot get element by ID, and the ID is demo, and I'm gonna call in here inner HTML, and I'm gonna type in this tag, say hello world. Hit save. Now if I click this button, we get this text here, and this is one of the examples of JavaScript event. And we have got very long list of JavaScript events, and some of them is on click, on mouse over, when page loads. Let me give you a couple more examples. Let's come in here, and I'm gonna type in here, let's delete all of these for now, and what I'm gonna add here is paragraph tag, and I'm gonna type in here select a new car. Let's delete this button for now, and I'm gonna type in here select a new car, and I'm gonna have here a select. Let's come in here, and I'm gonna call it my cars, and inside select list I'm gonna give a couple of option tags, and I'm gonna copy them a couple of times. Let's come in here and call it, say, Audi, and the name would be Audi. And let's come in here and type BMW, and in the third option we are gonna call it Mercedes. Let's copy and paste it here, hit save. This is what we have right now. And what I'm gonna do is just come in here and create a paragraph tag, and inside paragraph tag I'm gonna create an ID of demo. It's saved. We don't have anything displayed yet. What you can do, on change of any of these values, the name of the car should appear here. Let's do that. Let's come in here and type in script tag, and inside a script tag I'm gonna call a function, say function, and the name would be my cars. It'll receive no parameters, and inside this function I'm gonna call, say, var x equals document dot get element by id, and the id is my cars. Let's copy it from here. Yeah, that's perfect. And then I'm gonna type in here value semicolon, and after that I'm gonna type in here document dot get element by id, and now the id would be demo, and I'm gonna type in here inner HTML equals you have selected colon space, and I'm gonna concatenate here the value of our x. Hit save and see what we have now. Sorry, let's copy it from here and let's double quote and paste, and I'm gonna copy our demo from here and let's select this and paste it here within quotes. Hit save and see what we have. Now let's come in here and type on change. I'm gonna call our function, which is my cars, and paste it in here. Hit save, and now if I change, the text is displayed here. Now let's move on to our another event, and that is mouse over. Let's delete all of this code for now. Let's come in here and add h1 tag, and I'm gonna type in here, say, mouse over me, and let's add an ID here of demo and hit save. This is what we have right now. What you can do is, say, if you hover over this text, the color of this text should change. Let's come in here and type script, and then I'm gonna type in here document dot get element by id, and inside parameters I'm gonna type demo dot on mouse over. I'm gonna call a function, it'll receive no parameters, and I'm gonna delete the name as well. Let's come in here and remove, let's clean it a bit, and I'm gonna type in here mouse over parenthesis and hit save. And I'm gonna copy the name of this function, and let's come in here and type function and the name of the function, and I'm gonna call here document dot get element by id, and the id is demo, and I'm gonna add in here a style dot color equals red. Hit save. Now if I hover over this text, it changes its color. Now if you need to learn more about JavaScript events, you can watch my crash course on JavaScript events and watch the video. Now if you need to learn more about JavaScript events, you can watch my crash course based on JavaScript events and find the links in the description below. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.